Just on Sam Media, right from now to 10 a.m. Anyway, but I'm pretty sure say BBR fine. It's just about 10 days to election 2020. The big question may be, so join me on Facebook. The biggest question I would answer is, Beba. Our question is simple. When it says I'm radio, why are you watching? Political party, I'll bet Mamano. Is it going to be party A and party B? But definitely, almost some more kind of inform me with decision. And to go back to Abano. And yes, on our best, yes, on our best now. Now, what are you to Abba? On behalf of the production team, Mwakaba. Lisa Wakojo Fojo. And of course, UFI. And not forgetting the big boss, Josh Tigo. I'm in Fasid Amomo. And for Medinia Sempa. That's right, welcome aboard. COVID-19 is real, what so what do you say be a COVID-19 and koi? That's what and was still what to us now follow all the protocols. Yes, my inchia. A papa mwaka besha down for the woman wave. Upeja was a cross. Laugh a welcome. And that's a watano. And because of COVID-19, coronavirus. Me bacho ya bo modern sanitizer abaso will be used to be what she go and saho. And our face up. Him the first and here be upon ya the answer near Tim Norbert. There be the style. At least what do I bet you? One night crowd to me to be. And I'm why I'm on such a session. Oh my goodness, too bad. Remember, coronavirus is real. More per hagapa. Any no hagil. Debbie. That's right. Abusianche went into the big conversation and run on the political science department, University of Ghana. Amodi almost solved the bet too. It comes with some mixed reactions, especially Asepa Asoriatia. Went into that conversation after Yadia bro with all the details. And our Vice President, Excellency Dr. Mamadou Bawumia Edra, the same University of Ghana. And also the Tuja and Yama by way I bring you updates on that as well. Just stay tuned.